Today we are announcing the winners of two contests. The Bugout seed bag from True Leaf and the fan combo from Western Harmonics.
You should be concerned, very concerned.
Hi, I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Colleen, and we are the Provident Preppers, and today it's time to announce two of our winners. So, and if you're not winning these, make sure that we still have some giveaways going on, so they don't end until either tomorrow night or Friday night. So keep entering, okay? So first, and I wish that we could give prizes to everybody, but alas, it's not going to be, and you can't blame me. You've got to blame Ninja Name Picker. If you don't get picked, it's all Ninja Name Picker's fault. So for the first prize, the Bugout seed bag from True Leaf Market, go! Congratulations to Terri Smith. Terri, that's exciting.
Congratulations, Terri.
You will like this. You will still like this.
And now we have our second giveaway, and that is for the 10-inch plug-and-play fan kit from Western Harmonics. And the winner is Aryl and Pati Robinson's
Woo!
Travels. So congratulations. Thank you for entering.
That's awesome. Now, I will contact you on the original comment that was selected for you to win this prize. So make sure that you look there and get back in touch with me. And right now, I think it's really important to remember that as we all work together and as we prepare, we're all winners. So thanks for being part of the solution.